Today I am going to tell you 7 most popular ways to do affiliate marketing and how not to get banned from affiliate networks. This is the third video in affiliate marketing series where we have already covered what is affiliate marketing and what are the pros and cons of affiliate marketing. So if you haven't seen those, then I would recommend watching them first by clicking on the I button. But if you already know all that and want to find out directly how to start affiliate marketing, then continue watching this video. Hello, what's up guys? Sanidhya this side and this is my YouTube channel, helping you with everything related to digital marketing. If you are new here, this channel is all about helping digital marketers and influencers with basic as well as advanced knowledge required to make their campaigns a success. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. My handle is @newsdigitalmarketing, where I'll answer all your digital marketing questions. Before we begin, you need to know that you should only endorse a product you absolutely believe in. Otherwise, you would just be a shady affiliate marketer who has a really bad reputation and a horrible like is to dislike ratio. Don't open another Telebrand or Naptol channel online. So the first method is social media. Yeah, you guessed it right. A lot of social media influencers are already in this game. You can use any social media channels out there to do this one. Like anyone. Snapchat, Instagram, Quora, anyone. Just figure out where your target audience hangs out the most and focus that platform. You need to genuinely believe in a social media platform and go all in. There are literally 1,000 plus tutorials out there on YouTube on how to create a following on every social media account out there. I would recommend using Pinterest if you are focusing on e-commerce products because people have comparatively higher affinity of buying when they are surfing Pinterest. Second method is blogs. Social media channels might change. Currently people are using Instagram, but there is no way to find out what will be the next, and you will always have to build the presence from scratch. So what is popular today might not even exist tomorrow. But Google is here to stay, or let's say a search engine is here to stay. So a blog is the most dependable way to do affiliate marketing. There are various ideas that you can implement and be as creative as you want. People are always stuck between two choices, and you can write an article on the major conflicts popular in your industry. Also, if you don't want to be creative, you can just write the features of the products and try ranking for high volume keywords. Third method is YouTube channel. If you are really up for a challenge and are natural like Gary Vaynerchuk in front of the camera, then YouTube is the place for you. It is the most influential medium out there. Also the most competitive one. Look at my subscribers, for example. I have been making videos for over a year and I still have so few subscribers. So if you don't mind, please subscribe. Just kidding. Subscribe only if you feel it's worth it. Coming back to the topic, people are always interested in knowing how a product works. So if you have no idea about YouTube channel, then you can just make the videos on how to use the product or do a simple unboxing of that product. Just a pro tip, don't be a snake oil salesman. Watch channels like Geeky Ranjit and Technical Guruji to understand what I am talking about. Let me give you a bonus idea for an e-commerce product. Use the product for a week and then make a video of before and after. There are a very few channels who are doing this. Now that I am giving you a bonus tip, let me give you one for digital product as well. Pat Flynn did this with ConvertKit. He made a tutorial of the email service provider and included some of the features which were there only in ConvertKit. Fourth is podcast. Voice is the future and everyone knows it. A lot of people are too busy in their life to actually read a blog or watch a video. But everyone can listen to a podcast in the name of multitasking. Also, 49% of podcast listening is done at home. And since more people are spending time at home, so you multiply it by a factor of 1.5. So if you already have a video on YouTube, then I will consider putting the same on the podcast as well. This can be an alternative and a very efficient medium as well. Currently the competition is comparatively low, therefore just by having your presence on all the podcast platforms can give you an extra edge. And if you are thinking about your audience and discussing all their pinpoints in the podcast, then your success is inevitable. Fifth method is webinar. Everyone wants to connect with the influencers on a live video, which is the reason why live is getting so popular. You have your followers' undivided attention for the whole live session. This is the reason why webinars work. Who wouldn't want to see the raw footage and an unedited one? This is the reason why Naptol and Telebrand make it look like they are doing a live session. But as I have already said a couple of times, don't start shouting like buffoons as soon as you see the camera rolls. Got the point? Exactly. Instead, show them live how the thing works and answer their first-hand questions. Since you have already used it, so it would be very easy task to entertain their doubts and instill trust in them. Sixth method is emails. I've said a lot of times on this channel that email is one of the oldest mediums of marketing out there. It is still here, and if done effectively, it gives the highest average order value. And I'm speaking this from my personal experience. Okay, I'll walk you through the whole process. A person enters his email address in a box where you tell him, bro, I'll spam you with emails. Who in his right mind, if he is not absolutely sure, would give you his email address if he himself doesn't want you to convert him? I hope you are convinced and would give this medium a serious consideration as well. Seventh and the last method is paid ads. Only when you have exhausted all the other methods and want to do remarketing, only then, I repeat, only then go for this one. Because if you are not a brand, then nobody is going to trust you. Imagine this. A person meets you on the internet and asks you to buy some stuff. Would you buy that? No, right? So please don't expect others as well to buy the same from you. There is no personal connect with other person. I'll explain about the personal connect in a while. So the chances are he would feel that you are a snake oil salesman and wouldn't buy it from you. Once you have identified which medium you want to choose from the 7 mediums which we discussed, then I would suggest a strategy named jab, 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 right hook. This is a term coined by Gary Vaynerchuk, which means providing value before asking them to do something for you. Now diving into the concept of personal connect, Pat Flynn, the owner of Smart Passive Income, also speaks on it in detail. He says, work on building a relationship and then you won't have to pitch about your product. He gives a very basic example. Say your wife is pregnant. It's 2 in the morning and she wants you to go to the store and buy a Little Debbie's fudge brownie or whatever she wants you to buy. Well, you're probably off to the store to buy whatever she asked you to buy. There's not much pitch or convincing needed at all. On the other hand, a company you have never heard of before, since you hardly have any relationship with this company, they're going to have to work a lot harder to pitch you, to convince you, to try them out. And many companies pitch really aggressively, which can backfire and make people uncomfortable or even annoyed. Ever seen Naptol? While promoting through all these mediums, keep in mind a few things. Otherwise, you will get banned from some of the affiliate programs, or even worse, you might hamper your image amongst your audience. First point is, do not always shorten the link. Don't use Bitly to shorten the link with some of the affiliate networks, because some of them need to understand where the traffic comes from. Shortening it would hamper tracking. But at the same time, some affiliate networks don't have any issue with the same. You just need to be sure of that. Mainly Amazon associates create an issue with the same and they ban the account. Rest of the network are quite chill with the same. So I would recommend checking the same to be sure. Second point is proper disclosure. Most affiliate networks require you to disclose it to your customers that you will get commission out of the purchase if they click on your link. This morally also makes sense. Third point is, don't be spammy. Your audience is really smart. They will smell something is fishy, and it takes only a comment to create the dominoes effect and crumble your entire kingdom. So I'll repeat again. Don't start selling it like a babbling baboon. You won't get more than a couple of views. Fourth point is, avoid superficial information. In order to provide an emotional connection and make people believe that the product is worth buying, you need to go one step further and provide insight which no one else is providing. But if you covered it superficially, then nobody is gonna buy it, from your link at least. Trust me, they will buy it, but not from yours. Take this course for an example, or this video. You have been till here because I provided value and went deep into the topic, because I understood the problems and the pains, and I covered only those. Fifth point is, don't assume bigger affiliate networks are better. Just don't assume anything. I would go ahead and even say that don't even trust me. Try every affiliate network which I'll mention in my next videos in this course and share your experience. If it goes bad, then okay. But if it goes good, mazel tov. It's your journey and it can be equally good and equally bad. I hope that you are now aware of what it takes to get started. If you have any doubt regarding anything I discussed, then leave a comment below, and at the end of this series, I will take up questions in a live session, given that I have 1000 followers to go live with. Also share it with that person whom you think would be benefited from this course. And press the bell icon to never miss a video from this channel. So what are your next steps? Click on the video to go to the next video, or click on the playlist to watch the entire playlist on affiliate marketing. Until next time, bye bye, or see you in the next video.